Hi guys, LPS Cooper Pools here with LPS Kiki. Yay! And she's a lol doll and drawings. I'll show you them at the end. And orange floor. And
off a minute.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, she's looking out the window because it's bonfire night tonight. And if you don't celebrate it, happy evening. If you do celebrate it, happy bonfire night. And we set off some fireworks in my garden. My dad did it. I didn't do it. I'm safe. And it was awesome. They were quite... Oh, yay! And I hope you had a good Halloween, because it was Halloween a couple of days ago.
Yeah, guys, can I say something?
Yeah.
This is Cream's brother.
Yeah, this is Cream's brother, Tom. And this is Cream.
And I'm just going to go now in a minute.
And they're going to go off the table. And I pushed them off the table. And we had some flumps, marshmallows, roasted them. They caught fire. We blew them out. They were green, yummy. And when the fire went out, the bonfire went out, we roasted them on the stove thing. I don't know what it's called. I think it is a stove. And
all I want is a potato head.
A potato head. And I roasted it so much that it actually went. It fell off on the stove, and I was like, no, my flump!
I didn't get it.
And yeah, I did eventually eat it. No! Okay, now I'm going to show you some cringy drawings and stickers of cute animals and Beanie Boo, because why not, and diamonds.
Bring it up to me.
No, I'm going to do this.
Show them this. Did you call everyone Lola like I did?
Lola. Lola. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed with that.
I'm so happy. Can I
spell like that? If your name's spelled like that, you're good.
George.
I don't know.
And I'm LPS Kiki. This is what I look like now, guys.
We were playing a game earlier. I need to write something. Pencil go. Okay.
Headbutt it. Well, what is the potato with head? Tell me. Here you go.
Cringe. I can't spell. Why?
Okay.
I spelled it before. I'm just tired. It's
Can
quite
I do something
late.
at the end?
And paper.
It's going to be fun.
And orange setup.
Pink fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbows.
This is the carpet I filmed on.
Poos on.
There's my pencil.
Rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns eat Skittles.
Not gonna look in the mirror. Let me look outside.
Dancing on rainbows.
No, I don't think it's good looking outside.
It's too dark. So, do you want to take them outside and maybe we can show them the fireworks when they come on, because they'll see because they're bright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I am so sorry, you guys.
I actually dropped the camera.
Yeah. iPad.
Yeah. Mom, do you want to come outside?
Fireworks! Look at them! And there's the moon over there.
And then we got the fire.
Yeah, we got the fire. Oh my god, you guys.
Oh my god!
That's terrifying! Sounds like a bird or something. No! Stop it! Oh guys, I'm scared. This is my nice light garden.
Yeah.
It is lit. And it doesn't look, the camera, the thing doesn't look that good.
I'm cold. All I want is a potato head.
It's too dark to see you anyway, and it's probably too dark to see Kate. Oh, light.
I don't want this potato head.
Look, there's a moon. Look, it's going round. Moon.
Baby, you're
Firework. Come on over.
I dancing all night. Random dancing. Whoa, it's come from that way. Let's come on in. Oh yeah. What? Wait.
Fire.
Me sorry chair.
Yeah, there was a chair there.
Is there any more mallows?
Mallows? What?
Flumps.
Flumps, no.
Oh.
Yeah, them all.
Look at that piece of wood.
No! Which piece of wood? I can't see anything.
That piece of wood. Oh!
You guys didn't see them. Might have saw some flat.
Down by here.
Okay.
For the fire.
Sorry, that was my dad. Oh!
You dropped the tablet.
No, I didn't. Ooh, fireworks!
Bonfire night is the best.
Ah! It's like, oh! Look at them. No,
Copy that, Gil. Copy that. There you go.
Oh my gosh, guys! This is amazing. Your key is too dark anyway. There's a fire.
We got the hose ready.
Hose?
Yeah.
No!
Should we put it out ourselves with them?
My dog's go mad!
No, wait to your dad when he comes out.
Stars.
This
Can't see
one.
the stars, it's too dark. Can't see anything, it's just light and you can't see anything on camera. Look at that fire.
I know. There's a stone one.
But hey, can't see. Look, you can't see now, huh? Oh, I've only got a few bits of battery left. Should we go back inside? Sorry, my wolf side kicks in.
This paper's just chucking.
Howl at the moon. It's the moon. It's the moon. It's the moon. Oh, you saw a star. No, that's not a star. It's something on the screen. There's the moon. Oh! Guys, howl with me. 1, 2, 3. Howl. There's the moon dancing. There's the moon dancing. There's the moon. Hey, Kiki's just tapping on the grass.
Oh,
Like a boop. Okay, look on the camera. It kind of looks like a bird. Look on the camera. It's not really a camera, it's a tablet, but it's a bird fly.
Okay, change it to camera.
What?
I can
Moo! Oh, guys.
Very well,
Guys.
sorry about the noise.
Somewhere. Oh my god! I nearly peed myself! Oh, guys, I nearly peed myself.
Let me help you keep it for feel my heart.
What are you doing? Guys, I'm nearly peeing my
Oh, the
pants.
fire's coming down.
Oh, I don't care.
Bye, bye. Should we just pee on it?
Pee on the fire.
Stop doing that! Please.
Guy Fawkes.
Stupid Kira. Stupid Kira.
My key, not stupid.
I don't even know who I'm talking to.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, I'm talking to my friend Kira, I am. I am.
The only thing you can see here is fire and occasional fireworks
Okay, bye,
that go on
Kira.
forever.
Bye.
Bye. I can't see you.
Sorry.
Oh!
She's not my friend, she's my sister, Kira. Correct?
You have a sister with the same name as you. You're Alfie. You don't look like Alfie. No, because I don't want to tell them my name. Personal information. Oh.
Ow! Kira! Yeah.
Yeah, she pooed off.
I'm just gonna go slam the door.
He went off. Yep. ASMR. We should do an ASMR video.
She's in now on her phone, sat by there. She's my elder sister. Cute.
Yeah, we should do an ASMR video now. Okay, let's go back inside. Happy bird fire. Happy oh, guns. What's up? Oh my.
We're getting out of fire. Should we survive in a fire? What? Guys, we're trying to survive a fire and breaking out.
Okay, Mum!
Kira!
Mum, we're recording. Okay, Kira. We're gonna go in. So guys, I am back. Oh,
Yeah.
great. You remind me of Puppy Dog. Oh my god. What the heck? So I'm gonna hold Kate like this because
There's a fire!
No, there's not a fire key.
No,
Stop being a pea in the toilet. So after this video, I'm gonna do an ASMR video because I just got the thing and I don't even know what to do.
Hey, everybody!
Okay, so bye guys, and
Subscribe.
happy bonfire night as you celebrate.
Can I tell you something?
No.
Can I quickly?
Fine.
Make sure you subscribe down below.
Happy
bonfire night, everybody!
She's using this book thing, but she doesn't know the camera can't see her. So, happy bonfire night! Boom!
But